Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I am a pediatric physical therapist. I'm here with amazing Leia, and you laugh every time I say that. And we're working on ball gymnastics, ball exercises. This one works on lower abdominals and cores and hip extension strength. A little bit of hamstrings too, because you've got, instead of your hips extended this time, your knees are flexed. So feet on top of the ball, you're gonna lift up and hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, that time your hips were bent a little bit. Can you go up any higher? And oh, you got to bend up those legs. Lift up those hips. Whoa, my God, no cheating. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7-ish, 8-ish, 9, 10. Very good. All right, the last version of this is this time you're going to tuck that ball up toward you and push it away. So you got your feet up on top of the ball, push it out and pull it back in. Push it out. Oh wait, not fast. You always want to go so fast. If you do it slowly, it takes a lot more control. So push it out, and pull it in. 1, push it out and pull it in. 2, let's go to 5. Push it out and pull it in. 3, push it out and pull it in. Can you pull your arms out, because it looks like you're cheating just a little. Push it out and pull it in. 5, nicely done. So a great activity to work on hamstrings, hip extension, core strength. Again, I tell you, every time you add a ball into something, it makes it so much more fun. I hope this is a helpful idea for you, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye. If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.